Om. Namaste. Something very serious, something appealing. On last Friday, 5th June 2020, we successfully concluded the set of homas in Babaji Sannidhan, Bengaluru. On that day evening around 5 o'clock, I got a message from a divine soul who said a person by name Raju is admitted to a super specialty hospital in Warangal. This person Raju and his wife, very young, with 2 children, were working with this person who is in Hyderabad. Raju and his family also settled in Hyderabad, but Raju had gone to Warangal, his hometown. Suddenly he took ill with a massive heart attack and he was admitted to Rohini Super Speciality Hospital, where his condition has become very critical. It was at that stage I was approached by a person by name Shri Uma Maheshwara Rao. Long back, this family worked with Uma Maheshwara Rao. Out of courtesy, out of interest, out of pity, out of love, out of affection, whatever it may be, he wanted to help the family. He called me for a prayer. As the things were getting very critical, around 10 o'clock in the night, I was sent a WhatsApp photo in which the condition of the patient was very much visible in the ICU. He had uncontrollable diabetic sugar levels, heart has failed. With these conditions, I myself do not know what to do. In fact, around 9:30 I went to Mindscope. Usually I do not do Mindscope after sunset. On that day, around 9:30, I went to do a Mindscope to find out what is the condition of this person admitted in the hospital, because I need to understand the veracity of the case or the criticality of the case. I got a very negative information, negative revelation. While I was coming down from the second floor, I got another message from Uma Maheshwara Rao stating that the doctors have advised to remove the patient as they cannot do anything. Early morning, I was in meditation. Some message came. Some remedies started floating in front of me. Immediately after the meditation, after my bath, I went to Yantralaya. I prepared some remedies. Somehow I reached the remedy to the hospital where the family is staying. Somehow I was able to reach the remedies to the wife of Raju, Lata, through Shri Uma Maheshwara Rao. Suddenly there was a dramatic improvement. Looking at the criticality of the case, I had included Uma Maheshwara Rao in our special WhatsApp group, and I appealed to all the members to pray for speedy recovery of Raju. Uma Maheshwara Rao also had become a member in our WhatsApp group, and in a matter of minutes and hours, several members posted their prayers with Babaji. Simultaneously on 6th, when the remedy was employed on Raju, dramatically he recovered to some extent and he was shifted to normal ward by the doctors with an advice to get angio performed later once he is discharged. Although all members were very happy, somewhere in the corner of my mind or heart, I had a doubt of recovery. The reason being, Mindscope was showing negative and I had to dilly-dally between Babaji's guidance for a remedy, Mindscope showing negative. Maybe Babaji would have given some remedy. I do not know what is the will of the divinity. I myself was confused. Several such cases come to me. I will not be able to tell what is the status, but at least 95% of the cases come success. So I have ascribed Raju's case also to the success side. I was praying to Babaji that the Mindscope revelation which comes from him only should go wrong. When things were like this, on the other side, Raju's family was not a rich family. He was working as a driver, and probably Lata was working as a help in the family of Uma Maheshwar Rao. Now you could judge what could be the financial condition of this family with a young daughter and a young son. Raju himself was 40-year-old. Things being so, his wife Lata has already spent 1.5 lakh, and the hospital authorities were demanding more money for taking care of the patient. Still he is in the ICU. Some members from our group, our WhatsApp group, have contributed. Some money was reached to the family. Recently, many members in our group also have contributed towards food grains to poor people who have been affected by coronavirus and the pandemic closed down reasons. With this condition, knowing this person is very serious, the family is poor, Uma Maheshwar Rao could help to some extent, I could help to some extent, anyone can help to some extent, but bearing the entire bill of the hospitalization will be a nightmare for any one single person. But as a team, as a group, as a family, as it is told, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family. This is a very profound statement from Maha Upanishad. Though the Upanishad itself is a minor Upanishad, but the statement is very profound. Considering that this family belongs to us, all those who see this video, I appeal to each and every one of you, please help this family as far as possible by you. Your contribution could be anything. It could be 100 rupees to start with, 2000 rupees to 5000 to 10,000, whatever your heart content says, assuming that one of your family member is in the hospital. We came to know about Raju and his family only after 5 p.m. on 5th of June. But the intimacy, the introduction, the relationship duration does not count here. It is the family suffering which has come in front of us. I am giving the details of the family. I am giving the details of the hospital with the patient number, and we have already reached some funds to them, which is very, very meager. I am giving Babaji Sannidhan Seva Trust account number in this slide. I would appeal to all of you to send some contribution towards this family. Once the fund starts coming, we will decide how best we can help them, how best we can optimize the expenditure, how best we can contact the hospital administration as well as the attending special doctors. In the meanwhile, some of our group members who are out of India have some contact with the hospital doctors. They are also trying to influence the doctor to give the best of the treatment. Raju is left with nobody, wife and 2 children, one girl and one boy, very young and tender. We need to support them, because when we support this family, when they are in trouble, at a later date, if at all we are put to any kind of trouble at any stage, Babaji will definitely pick us and protect us. Kindly open your heart. Just do not see this video and drop it. I want participation from every individual. Some money, your 1 hour expenditure also could serve this family as much as possible. Please help this family. Thank you in anticipation. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.